It's time to stop thinking about cleaning as a cost. A modest investment in cleaning can produce big results. Let's face it, sick employees cost businesses money. But cleaning can reduce that risk. The average worker is sick 7.7 days a year. That costs businesses $225.8 billion. Consider the effect of unplanned absences. They reduce productivity by 54% and account for a 39% drop in sales and customer service. But in a clean facility, occupants reduce their chances of catching a cold or the flu by as much as 80%, and absenteeism drops by as much as 46%. To help achieve that, keep an eye on these common surfaces that are among the dirtiest in a typical facility. But clean isn't just healthy, it equals green. And by green, we mean money. Workers are 2 to 8% more productive in a clean environment. In a typical office, this equates to savings of $125,000 each year. Employees don't just benefit when their staff is healthy. Customers prefer cleanliness too. In fact, cleanliness is the most important customer satisfaction metric among quick-serve restaurant patrons. Retail customers value cleanliness in stores over all other environmental attributes. 60% of shoppers would buy more in a clean store. And don't forget the restrooms. 94% of people would avoid a business if they encountered dirty restrooms. The bottom line is that clean facilities are not just a cost, they generate revenue. And that's the value of clean. Change the way you view cleaning. Find the proof at ISSA.com/value tips.